Today we're only going to have one case study, and we're going to talk about harems. This strategy is similar to female guarding, but in harems the males will guard two or more females and fight off any intruding males. Many mammals have this strategy, and a well-known one are in elephant seals. You can see this from the bluffs of San Simeon, which is about 2 hours north of Santa Barbara. Every year from December to February, the animals all come ashore and they are mating. You can see the big bulls. Here are the females laying out, and then this female has her little pup with her. This beach on San Simeon is an area where males and females congregate for breeding. We call that a rookery. Recall that we talked about elephant seals previously, where they will live completely at sea except for coming ashore for breeding and molting. While at sea, they are solitary. They don't come in contact with other elephant seals. So mating must occur while congregating on the rookery or the breeding grounds. Adult males will arrive early and establish their breeding beaches. The strongest, largest, most fit bulls will select the prime beaches, while less strong males will end up on the marginal beaches. They will guard this beach, not allowing other adult males on the beach. These bulls invest an enormous amount of energy defending their beach. As the females return to the beach, they will fill in the prime beaches first, and then once they arrive to the beach, they will deliver their pups and rear them. The male that is guarding this beach will mate with the female once she has given birth. Not all females will get pregnant every year, and they also have that delayed implantation that we discussed previously. Male competition is so strong that they begin practice fighting when they are still immature males. You will see them at the margins of the harems practice fighting with others in their age class, and this is what it looks like. And they have these pads here of calloused skin where they will beat each other. You can also see injured males at the margins of the breeding territory nursing their wounds, depending on how injured they are. Again, the bulls are going to build up this hard callous skin over their chests to protect them while they're fighting off the other bulls. Mating in harems is not for the weak or the young. It really is the survival of the fittest in these situations.